The Victoria Jackson the public knows is a glamorous, successful entrepreneur. Raised by a single mother in Los Angeles, Victoria became a makeup artist for films and TV and taught makeup at UCLA. She always felt looking good meant feeling good, and she wanted to help women around the globe have access to cosmetics. That's where she came up with the then radical idea of selling cosmetics on television.
And this is Victoria Jackson.
That led to her first infomercial in 1989, where she could reach millions of women worldwide. Victoria went on to marry Bill Guthey, an infomercial pioneer in his own right. Together they raised 3 children. But it was a terrifying diagnosis for their only daughter, Allie, that led Victoria to close the book on mascara and open the book on medicine. At age 14, Allie was diagnosed with neuromyelitis optica, NMO, a rare autoimmune disease that could leave her blind, paralyzed, and doctors said take her life within 4 years. That's when Victoria went into battle mode.
That means all the closest and dearest ones in my life that I love so much, nothing's happening to them as much as I can prevent that. And I knew that it was about the first doctor that we went to see at the Mayo Clinic. I said, "Are you doing any research?" And he said, "Yes, I am doing some research." And I'm like, "Great. Well, I'm a woman with a checkbook. I'm a mom on a mission. You're doing research. We're going to get to know each other, and I'm going to start a foundation, and I'm going to find a cure for this disease."
Not one to make empty promises, Victoria and Bill formed the Guthey-Jackson Charitable Foundation, donating over $50 million to date to help the few with NMO and hopefully the many with autoimmune disorders. In addition to funding research and creating scientific roundtables and think tanks with the goal of advancing cures, the foundation is also focused on patients and their families, bringing together people with NMO during patient symposiums. They have also established a biorepository of patient blood samples for research and have already collected thousands of samples. The foundation also formed a pharmaceutical industry council to facilitate clinical research trials and increase funding, always insisting that to be involved, you must collaborate and share data. She's even extended the foundation's reach to Africa with an international clinical consortium. Victoria was also recently honored with an induction into the National Women's Hall of Fame for her philanthropic and humanitarian efforts.
But what I do have and what I do know is I believe in people and the humanity in people and the willingness that people want to ultimately do the right thing.
A tireless advocate, she has spent countless hours making numerous appearances to raise awareness about NMO. She's also written several books, beginning with her first love, beauty and cosmetics, and now joining with Allie to describe their mission in life.
I do believe it's not an accident that this has happened. I believe that, probably Allie and I, this was something that was meant to be, and if 2 people could be on this planet to maybe change the course of something for a lot of people, neither one of us necessarily would have signed up for it, but I don't know, I guess there's a part of me that doesn't believe in accidents. I've always believed if you set an intention, and for me, through the power of love and very clear intention, that I was going to find a cure, not only for my daughter, but for everyone who has this disease.